Wait a minute. What? Yeah, that thing's way off. Good morning. Well, I guess it is good morning. What's going on, everybody? How are we doing? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why the hell is it acting up like that? Yeah, I was gonna make a video yesterday, but I actually had to take care of some stuff. So I actually have to edit that one today, and I'll put it up tomorrow. One stock. Morning. Morning. How are you doing? Doing good. Hey, you. Yeah, actually, last night I started grabbing some of this one right here, this SC coin. What am I sitting on over here? I forgot how much I grabbed. Hang on real quick. How much did I grab again? I got I got 62,000 of this SC coin. Only put about $1,400 into it. It's some kind of cloud storage cryptocurrency company right here. See, it's reinventing cloud storage. You know, it's not too bad. They ran it up to like 6 cents before. Right now, I grabbed them at 2.1. I think it was. What was my average? Yeah, I grabbed them at 2.02164. And the other one I grabbed was OXT. Actually, OXT is actually. I only grabbed a little bit of OXT. It's like $500. I got 1,200 coins of this one. And the market cap is kind of, we're not doing too bad for Saturday. What are we? We're at 2.27 trillion for the whole cryptocurrency market cap. That's not too bad. We're only down 0.73%. I know Bitcoin was back up at 50, but it came back under. It's at 49,954. Binance did slip back under 500. DOGECOIN most likely is going to come down and bounce off this 29 cents again. But I hope everybody's having a pretty good Saturday. I know this week was wasn't too bad. It's a good way to end August. Get ready for September. Oh shit! I closed the wrong window. Damn it! Don't forget, regular markets will be closed on Monday. And where did AQST end up yesterday? I think after hours it put it down to like what? 0.35. Oh, never mind. That's Astra. Wrong company. Oh yeah, QST was kind of bouncing all over the place. Huh? They jumped up to 460 and then they dropped back down to 440, 442. I mean, it ended yesterday out at like what, a little over 2%. Let's call it 2.5, 2.4%. I think 2.40. That's not too bad on AQST. Still very little news on that company though. Where's that C? I kind of am anticipating SC to kind of bounce around in this little wedge formation here and potentially break out in this area. It might break out sooner though. What is the 15 minute looking like? Yeah, especially because the 15 kind of came down and bounced off this 152. Oh, anybody catch what Kathy Woods was saying yesterday? She's expecting like another bull run to go for another like 15, 20 years or some shit. I don't know. I caught her dig what she's talking though, what she's saying. There was a study, Stan Selvickson. Some they came across some kind of study back in the 80s talking about the baby boomers would make for like 13 to 20% of like investors of the bull market, I guess. And that's what happened. She said basically the same thing's going to happen, set up, and we'll probably potentially have another leg up and see a bull run till like 2035, I think she said. But yeah, I like what she's saying there. $2038, I think that's what she's saying. That's when the year of millennials peak or some shit like that. I don't know. We'll see, huh? Sounds like a little 10. What's going on? Good morning. Afternoon. It's basically afternoon right now. But yeah, imagine that. She said 2038. I don't know. Kathy Woods, she's a little bold. I kind of like it. She said people bet in short funds. Yeah. But yeah, I'm actually going to probably be establishing a bigger position in SC. I want to try to get up towards maybe 500,000 coins on this one. Yeah, AF alum. Is that funny? That's good. I want to grab Matic, but Matic, I need to wait for Matic to come back down a little bit. Said, got him. What'd you do, hey you? He said, "LO, got him." Oh yeah, he's still trying to put I don't know. He's put some shit up in there. Would you put him in timeout? Fucking dickhead. That's good. That's good, man. He said, "I'm a subscriber, right, Kathy? They give away all information. They ain't hiding nothing." 88 did get clipped too. Not too bad. I still kind of seeing a lot of reshuffling of positions, especially being the first week of September, basically. Like I said, we'll see what happens probably towards the end of today, maybe Sunday, if not Monday, especially being a long weekend. We'll probably see some pretty significant moves for crypto. And then Tuesday is going to be a pretty wild day. Hey, you put him in fucking timeout. You fucking dislike the video. Oh no! Okay, little cock licker. Okay, scrotum smoker. Huh? It's one of them. Oh, man. Fuck it, hey, you're too much. Oh yeah, come on. I don't think it's gonna break out right here though. It's probably gonna fail out and come a little bit more down towards the end of this wedge. I don't know. SC doesn't look too bad though. I mean, Psy, what did it run up to this last little run up that we had? Yeah, they ran all the way the hell up there. Damn, what is that? 6 cents on this one? This one went all the way to 6 cents. Oh yeah, they ain't happy with fucking Biden. I mean, what's good, Isa? Nothing much, man. How you doing? Just hanging out. Another Saturday. Nothing too exciting probably today. Maybe towards the end of the day. I know Ethereum. Everybody's still kind of a little drunk off of the whole little Ethereum run up we had the other day. A little hangover still. Everybody still got the. I mean, nobody can explain why we broke out. I think it has to do with NFTs, though. I mean, NFT craze has been going crazy. And I mean, it would kind of make sense for Ethereum to run up the way it did. Because not even the technical, it doesn't even explain what the hell happened. I mean, yeah, anybody out there wants to come in and act a little froggy, be careful, because hey, he's out there clapping people left and right. But yeah, anybody just tuning in, I did just grab SC last night. And I'm going to keep an eye on SC and keep establishing a position in them. They do basically cloud-based storage shit. They're looking to reinvent it. It's actually been around for quite a while, too. Well, morning all. Yeah, almost. The morning's almost over, man. We got about a couple more minutes. Right, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good, man. I'm doing pretty good. Can't complain. You know me, man. I do good every day. I don't let nothing get me down. Especially with the Ethereum Classic running it up the way it was. All right, I think what was it? On Wednesday, that's when I started grabbing a bunch more, accumulating more Ethereum Classic. So it was actually pretty good Friday when that shit ran up. It went up to like 71, I think it was. Was it 71? Yeah, it went up to 71. That was pretty good. No, it went 72. 72 and a half. That shit was fucking awesome. Looks like Ethereum Classic's probably going to build up some support right here off this 152 and then go for the next leg up. That's funny. Okay, hey, you straight put that motherfucker in timeout. He got all butt hurt. Oh, that's good. That's Ethereum Classic. Yeah, Ethereum Classic looks real promising. Especially once we switch over to proof of stake or proof of work, whatever the hell. They have the largest. It has the largest proof of stake or proof of work network out there compared to Ethereum. Ethereum looks like it. Ethereum needs to come back just a little bit more and bounce off. It probably won't bounce. It'll probably just track down a little sideways right here and then get some support off of this 38,000 level. 38,000 looks like a pretty good spot for Ethereum Classic. I think what the hell's China got going on again? China's up to some more shit. You calm down. Hey, you said, oh, he left. Relax, hey, you. You having one of them days or what? Said no, he was spamming. Yeah, it kind of was being a little obnoxious. You're all right. Get his ass. He was spamming. He said he got to go. He got to go, huh? They never hit. I heard some analysts hitting this one at the end of the year at like 4 cents, and then by the end of 2035 at like 8 cents. We'll see. This one might just be a little swing trade for me. I see. I'm gonna hold this one for about a month or two and see what it does. See if it can make its way back up to the upside, because it did break out of this little wedge formation it was in. I mean, and it's been just steadily climbing up. That actually looks pretty promising on SC. It looks almost like this same kind of setup I had over here. Just less of an angle on it. It's not as steep. That sucks. She said that's a no-go on that one. What the hell does that even mean right there? Huh? Newly launched Wall Street Bets DeFi app aims to take over traditional finance markets. What the hell is that? What are they trying to get in on? Wall Street Bets. And they what? Reddit's trying to apply for IPO? I came across that IPO request. I was like, hell, Reddit, man, that's wild. New COVID-19 outbreak at Utah State Prison. What? Damn. That sucks. But yeah. Hope everybody's doing pretty good. That was the first little spammer came in here. Hey, you clipped his ass. No, that's good. He said, oh, yeah, concerns raised after Supreme Court ends COVID-19 bullshit. They got these fires they got the whole South Lake Tahoe's evacuated. They said that basically holidays canceled to not come there. It's fucked up. And for anybody just coming in, I did start acquiring SC token. Side token. They deal with fucking cloud storage shit. What do we got? trying to find another entry point right into SI, into SI, SC. I want to wait for it to come back down and hit this moving average before I actually acquire some more. My goal is to get up to at least 1 million coins on this one. If not half a mil, I'd be cool with half a mil. But because I grabbed some right off of this moving average right here. But I want it to come down some more. So I'm just going to sit down and dollar average in up until it comes back down to this lower end, which would probably put it at about like 20 cents, roughly, maybe 21. And I'm already in at 21. What's my average right now? Yeah, see, my average right now is $2.02164. I only have 62,000 right now. What's this Wall Street fucking thing over here? What? Boxer Janet Zapata dead at 18 after knockout. What the hell? Shit. That's crazy. Newly launched Wall Street Bets DeFi app aims to take over traditional finance markets. At the beginning of 2021, a trend ignited by the creators of Reddit forum Wall Street's Bet caused the whole world to focus on retail traders in the stocks market purchase so-called dead stocks like AMC, GME, and others. The hype behind the Wall Street group has fizzled in the last few months, but a group that claims to represent the Wall Street Bets communities has started a decentralized finance project called Wall Street Bets DApp. Yeah, I heard about that one. That's fucking good. Wall Street Bets DeFi synthetic stocks, a small team that claims to be associated with the creator of Reddit forum. Wall Street Bets has stated a DeFi platform, a decentralized application. The platform is called Wall Street Bets DApp, and the protocol allows users to swap tokens similar to popular decentralized exchange DEX apps today. Benefits of blockchain made real for traditional investors. That's, I mean, I don't know. Kathy Woods. I liked everything Kathy Woods had to say. What's your thoughts on Blackwork? It's one of the first federally approved cryptos. Not too sure. Let me see. Haven't even looked on that one. Blockwork. Shit, I don't even got my window open up over here. 1 second. I was wondering why I couldn't see the comments. So, thoughts on Blockwork. It's one of the first federally approved cryptos. Let's see where they show it on there. It needs to break out. I mean, it looks like it's kind of setting to want to break out of that range it's in right now, that $1.60, that $1.43, but it's definitely seeing a lot of resistance. Looks like it might want to come back down and test that $1.35 area on that block one. Looks like it's it needs, damn, it needs to get on more watch lists. The community needs to build a little bit bigger. But I mean, granted, it's not doing too bad for having only being on 3,000 watch lists. Damn, it went up to $7.66 this year. What? Wow. Yeah, that one got real high. But it needs to break. I mean, the highest resistance for this one looks like $1.50, like $1.54. It definitely had some good times with the whole meme run up when everybody was buying in on everything. When the whole crypto hype happened, the whole craze. It don't look too bad, Benjamin. It's definitely stuck in that little range. It needs to break out of that range it's in. It's been stuck right here in this downward trend for the past month. Ouch. I mean, it might be a good time to grab it right now. That way for when the whole shuffle happens, when everybody starts getting back into the token mania. Because all the investors' confidence still isn't really like completely back with the cryptocurrency. They're still a little shooken up. I mean, granted that, you know, Ethereum went up to 4,000 and Bitcoin did break that $50,000. A lot of people are still a little worried about it. It looks like it wants to break out of that range it's been stuck in, though. That's for damn sure. That 147 to 130 range. Come on, Ethereum Classic. Let's see, like some support right off of that 68.42. Oh yeah, and I did grab OXT. Very small position in OXT. It's like 1,200 coins on that one. $500. 42.68 is the price on that one. Oh, it's still up. It's actually up. What? It's up $5. It's up $5. I'm actually gonna keep watching this one right here, but I do like that SC coin a lot. Black work works with employees as incentive for the employees. It's a crazy system. Yeah, I did see it. I read up on it a while back. It's actually pretty cool how it works. You've had SC for about a year. Yeah, that's nice. There's a lot of promises behind it. And it's been around for quite a while. But yeah, Blockwork, I did read that article on it where they were talking about the incentives behind it. The block reward. It just needs to get some more exposure. That's all it needs. You just need to build up some hype around it. When did they come out again? Hey, which one was that on? Yeah, I want it to come back down to this range over here. Kind of feel it to test the $2.20 or the not the $2, but the 2 cent range. 21. It just launched on the new platform, ran up to 22 briefly. I got it at 16 and bought in at 2. Yeah, I see that. It did run the hell up. It had a hell of a run up on it. It's up 3% for the last 24 hours. Yeah, it seems like a lot of people just don't even know about it. Definitely looks like it's been lagging though for the past 3 months. So I mean, if you're in at a good price on this one, it definitely looks like it wants to break out, and it could be a potential a big winner. I mean, damn, that shit ran 2018. It was way the fuck up there, huh? Shit. Damn, that shit went to like 57 bucks. That's crazy. God damn, 88 gave up a whole quarter. They did give up a whole quarter, huh? Issa says nice. Come on, Ethereum. Actually, I think Ethereum Classic's probably going to be a pretty big winner in the long run, especially once they switch over to the proof of work or proof of stake, whatever the hell it is. Did you see the Fidelity analyst a couple days ago that says they think Bitcoin will be 1 billion a coin? But yeah, that was wild right there. I was like, whoa. So I mean, they said 1 billion, so it'll probably reach like $750,000 because they're usually about 25% off on their estimates. So they're usually roughly about 20%, 30% off. So we'll say it's $600,000 on a Bitcoin. Fuck, that's crazy to think about that. But then, I mean, I kind of see it because Cathie Wood was talking about this next bull run running all the way up to 2035, 2038. I guess there's some article out there from like the 80s talking about the boomers and shit like that. 700 million, yeah, 700 million right there, roughly. I call it 700 if they say it's that high. If they say 1 billion. I mean, it's possible. I mean, hell, anything's possible if it ran up to 64 this year. I didn't even think it was get that high. Hell, I remember when Bitcoin was at like 3,000, 3,500 just about 2 years ago. All our money's in on Ethereum. We have a lot of Ethereum. Well, not a lot. We got like 100 Ethereum at like 175 a coin. I'm betting big on Ethereum. Ethereum Classic, and ADA. This SC one, this one should be good for like a good 5-year play. Put it to the side, keep accumulating it. I think SC could probably be a game changer, especially with the whole cloud storage shit. I mean, they allow people to like piggyback off each other's hard drive space that they're not using. It's pretty cool technology. Imagine the market if it could go up that high. Watch Bitcoin pass. Me buy, I missed out. But wouldn't miss out on Ethereum. Ain't missing out again. Hell nah. Ain't missing out on shit again. Just grab it and hold it and average in. That's mine. That's what I do now. Like with SC, I got a nice little position in it now. And I'm just gonna wait for it to come down and dip a little bit more. Usually I don't wait for positions no more to enter into them. I wait to dollar average into them. I usually try to get my seat, so I'm already sitting down and I'm not worried about finding where I'm going to be for when the rocket lifts off. And then I'll just, flight attendant, can I get some more shares? Can you average me in? Can you give me some more coins, please? I'll take another 5,000, please, to average in a little bit. HODL. HODL your coin is the best thing to do now. HODL it, average in. $40K. I only got $40K so far, but I like the company. Yeah, I want to get at least $500,000, if not $1 million, worth of coins on SC. If it comes back down a little bit more, I'm gonna just, if it gets under more closer to the 2 cent range, then I'm just gonna go full ham on it. But I don't think it'll reach that low though, because it already broke out of that range it was in. Was it on the 1 hour one? No, it was on the, I think it was on the 6 hour one. Nope, it's on the 1 day one. That's not even SC, that's ADA, you idiot. That's not even SC, that's ADA. On the wrong one. That was this whole little bullshit that everybody was going through. So, and I like how it didn't like break out all crazy and shoot straight up. It has this nice even trajectory going up. I'm waiting for it to come back and test this lower end and bounce off this 152 average, and then that's when I'll probably buy some more of SC and try to get my try to accumulate a lot more on this company. I mean, cloud storage is going to kill it. I mean, that's what everybody's talking about. They're talking about cloud storage is going to be fucking the next big thing. So, I mean, hell, this is already doing it for crypto. It's already off the blockchain. Right? Said the cloud storage ain't going anywhere, and with it more secure and cheaper, I see it going very far. Everything in life is about cost. Their storage is like 1/3 the price of North. Right? Hell yeah, that shit is hella cheap. And they're kind of all over the place too. Well, I mean, not over here, but fuck, mainly over there in Europe. Really cluttered up in over here. Well, I guess we do got a lot on the East Coast in the United States. Ocean is another good storage one. I like Ocean. Yeah, last night I was up doing some fishing on crack, and I came across SC. I was like, let me see, what's SC doing? I think it was actually down yesterday when I started buying in on it. Oh wow, yeah, that one don't look too bad either. It's up 4.5 today. And it actually has a lot of people looking it up on in the past 3 months. It's actually been picking up a lot of stream on the trend too. That's what I noticed about SC too. They've actually been picking up a lot of steam on the trend too. A lot of people have been actually looking it up. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on Ocean. At under $1, it's not too bad. What did it hit in the year? What was the high in the year? $1.94. It looks like it's just been very underrated, huh? It's only seen like $1.50 jump in the past year. Nothing too volatile. That's not too bad though. September 27th, 22nd. Man, they're talking about some news from 2020. The hell? That's last year. That's like the headliner over here. About the Ocean Foundation initiated a hard fork. That's from September last year. What the hell are they showing me that for? But I think a lot of people are probably going to be shifting shit around right now and probably positioning themselves or getting ready. I mean, because hell, man, Ethereum went back up to 4,000. I mean, shit, we back in the game. Oh, look, there goes Ethereum. What the hell was that, Ethereum? Ethereum's just trying to make moves again. That's a lot of volume coming in on Ethereum. Is Ethereum about to wake up again? I'll try to see who the hell's going to be the one that's going to blow up next. OEX, XY kind of slipped a little. I grabbed some of this one right here too. OXT. I think I only grabbed like 500 coins on this one. Not too bad. I mean, it's up $6, right? It's up $6. When Ether makes it past its all-time highs, it doesn't stop. Oh no, man! Once we hit that all-time highs again, that 4,000, that sweet spot, or what was it? What was the high again on that one? I forgot what the hell the high was. This shit was crazy when it hit the all-time highs. Is it 40 what? 42? 44? It was like 43, something like that. High 43, 44. Yeah, it's going to go ape shit once it gets back to the top. Because I remember when we were back up at 2,500, 3,000, I mean, you could ask anybody who was invested in it, and they'll be like, yo, man, Ethereum's back. And they'll be like, yeah, well, but it's not 4,300. Like, what do you mean, dude? We got like half our money back. You're still not happy? Like, a lot of people are still not happy until we get back to the 43, 44,000, and then they're going to be fucking excited about it. Until we get back up to there, a lot of people are like, it's 4,000. They're like, it's still not 43. I was like, what do you mean it's still not 43? Relax. It's only been 3 months. Oh, damn, excuse me. Yeah, you said right. And then plus, I mean, we got inflation fears coming back. So, I mean, that's going to be basically... I mean, Ethereum is like the inflation indicator. So, I mean, with the Ethereum, Bitcoin going buck wild, that means inflation is coming back because this is our deflationary asset right here. So, it's kind of an indicator to let you know that the fears are coming back. Yeah, I mean, we got DeFi solving problems that, I mean, other people just, I mean, it's just, you know, sky's the limit. As soon as they let it rip, they just don't want to let it rip. I don't know. I think Kathy might be onto something. I don't know. I mean, shit, she was right about the fucking Tesla shit. Fuck. Kathy. Still no word from the vice president, huh? Well, Kamala Harris, she's hiding. She's MIA. Oh man, Elon, they ain't playing around over there at SpaceX, man. Those fools are flying. They are making some massive time. They're just covering ground left and right. Oh, that Firefly rocket didn't even make it on. They said, nope. I'm still betting big on Astra Space. I think that little flight system on that rocket is very impressive. I mean, shit, they lost the rocket and it still fucking was able to take off. I mean, like, they said it was a failure, but I mean, it didn't blow up. They got plenty of flight data from it, so I think it was a success. That shit's fucking hilarious. Anybody missed it? You should watch the video on that Astra Space. That shit, the little rocket that could. It was pretty impressive. Like, I was that shit should have blew up. And they actually didn't lose no money on this one either because it was a dummy payload. I think Firefly actually had a full payload on theirs, didn't they? So they actually lost money on Firefly launch. So that sucks for Firefly. And plus, Astra Space has a military contract with that new branch military. What the fuck's it called again? Space. Fuck's it called again? That the space brand, I don't even know what it's called. The Space Navy, Space Force. That's what it's called. The Space Force. My bad. The Space Navy. And we're still waiting on news for AQST, Acoustic Therapeutics. Still ain't. I mean. I know that FDA shit comes out on the 22nd of December, but I don't think a lot of people are paying attention right now. Ramjet engines. No. Yeah, a lot of people are rebalancing their portfolios right now. That's what September is. It's a lot of rebalancing going on this month. Yeah, we probably won't see any significant moves. Crypto towards the end of the day, maybe yeah, probably end of the day. If not, it's probably gonna be another like last week where Sunday kind of ran it up, and then Monday will probably be the day we see some pretty big moves. Granted, you know, because it's a long weekend. Grandpa Biden. A horrible jobs fucking report. Straight horrible. He was like, it's Delta's fault. And that motherfucker Trump, he did it too. Hold on, that's fucked up though. That's terrible. GM's having troubles with their damn little Chevy Volt, or whatever the hell it's called. That thing just spontaneously combusts. I don't know, Chevy. That might be, you know, fucking your Achilles heel. Fucking around with electric vehicles. Me, I'm betting on Ford. I'm thinking Ford should be do pretty good. No. Right, nice and steady, just upward and onward in the past hour. I mean, on the hour chart. Where the hell was it? Was it on the 2 hour? Yeah, that seems like it's gonna be just a slow, steady upward. What's Ethereum doing? Where's Ethereum chilling at? 38. Because what if Ethereum blew up? That little run up it did, what was it, 35? I think it was chilling at 35, 3,400, and then it just gassed it. Yeah, it was right here at 32. Well, that's when it just shot all the way up to fucking 4,000. No, there's nobody out there that can explain why it did that shit. None of the technicians, none of the fucking super fucking chart masters and shit. Everybody was like, we don't even know why it did it. It just did it. Nobody was expecting that $800 run up like it did. Say the SC probably won't see a breakout until 120. Hell, is that 120 in the morning? Yeah, that's like 120 in the morning somewhere. Let's put it like right here. Damn, that's a long way to wait. So yeah, probably tomorrow will be a pretty good day for SC. that strong. Jonas, what's going on, Jonas? How's your night going? How's your day? The day's almost over. Night, he said night, huh? Right? It's night. It's barely midday. It's barely about to be 1 o'clock right now for me. It's barely 12:44 p.m. Oh man, I'm still tired. I'm still tired. I'm doing good. Just a little tired right now. I'm ready for a nap. I'm ready for a nap. Not too bad. It's probably gonna be a pretty slow day today. Probably tomorrow. That's what it looks like. SC should break out. Where's Ethereum gonna do it? Ethereum too. Ethereum probably won't do no big moves until we come back down and hit this. Wait a minute. What are we on? Is that the 1 minute one? No, that's the 1 hour one. Okay. Put 30-minute one. 38,000 looks like 3,800 looks like a pretty good spot of support for Ethereum. If I had to guess, I would say Ethereum would come back, test this 3,800 level, which should put this moving average kind of like, it should bounce off that moving average. Usually when they hit the moving average, they do dip a little bit below it, so that would put it right there at that 37.90 area. It's another wonderful day, Jonas. Another wonderful day. Can't complain. I actually bought SC. I'm gonna start accumulating some of this SC coin. That decentralized storage. Yes. That one at OXT, I grabbed like $500 worth of it. It's 1,200 coins of OXT. I just want to see what this one's gonna do. I came across some news last night. Some rumors. Some people were talking about OXT, so I was like, you know what? Let me get some. I mean, I think I'm up right now too. OXT, I'm up $2.54. Yeah, fucking problems are over. Not saying I got any problems, but you know, maybe. I'm not saying I got any. Yeah, I'll probably be here up until about 2 or 3. It's gonna be a little bit, probably like half the time I usually do on Saturdays. And then tomorrow, I'll be on a little earlier tomorrow to see if it does play out the way I'm expecting it to. Because if it continues in this wedge this way, I won't see no breakouts till then. I mean, shit. This is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. Maybe if I'm lucky, we'll see a breakout at like 10, maybe 11, like 9 maybe. That's 9, right? 9. Not really good with my military time. That puts Ethereum right there. That's actually a pretty good spot for Ethereum, I think. And SC, I think did I already say where I wanted to get in? I think I did. I think it's on the 1 day one. My SC looks real strong on the 12 hour though. It's definitely using the 22 as some good support. Most likely we'll hit this .02419 area and probably fail to break through it. Hell, it might not though, because it did come back down and test the 52 moving average. If it's able to break through this one, then we'll have to come back down and test the 152. But as long as it's able to keep doing what it was doing back here and then trading upward and sideways, then we'll be able to get the moving average back where we'll be able to come back down and bounce off of that one before we can move up again. What's it look like on the 6 hour? No, 4 hour. That puts it right there. That's where the moving average should kind of be. What time is that? Is that around the same time I said maybe? That's that. Wait. That's on the 4 hour ticker too. That's not the closer one. So yeah, SC still has a little bit of room to come back before I want to grab a lot more of it. I would like it right here. This 0221 spot. Dogecoin got clipped again, huh? Definitely been lagging though on Dogecoin. Seems like it's just been sleeping. I mean, because it really hasn't done any kind of crazy moves. I mean, 27 to 30, that's not really significant. 26 to 30, really not. That's only, what, 4 cents? Where's Bitcoin at? Wait a minute. Why does my camera look like that for? What the hell? Did it zoom back out? It zoomed back out, didn't it? There. I don't know why it was showing the blue screen. Oh, what was this? India has a new plan to do what? India has a new plan to regulate cryptocurrency reports. Don't care about that one. Crypto. JP Morgan says cryptocurrency markets are looking frothy. Yeah? That's cute. JP Morgan published a note Wednesday on the stock market. Cryptocurrency explains that retail investors bought stocks at a record pace over the summer, with an estimated net flow into the U.S. stock market $13 billion in August after reaching a record high of almost $16 billion in July. The JP Morgan analyst asserted that the stock buying frenzy spilled over in altcoins and non-fungible tokens in August, and the surge in NFTs and decentralized finance activities has boosted the price of certain cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Oh yeah, Solana has been ripping it up. Japan's financial giant SBI to launch cryptocurrency fund. SBI has revealed its plan to launch a cryptocurrency fund by end of November. Bloomberg reported Thursday, calling it the country's first crypto fund. I want people to hold it together with other assets and experience firsthand how useful it can be for diversifying platforms. Oh yeah, it didn't have time for the NFT. Was away unexpected day tomorrow. I'm also not home. Oh yeah, now whenever you get to it, that's whenever you get a chance, go ahead and slap one together and see what it does. End of August, NFT sales tapped all-time highs of $1 billion. Wow. Last week's NFT sales hit 821 million. God damn. NFT shit's getting out of control. Synthetic stonks. What the hell? Italian soccer champion Inter scores 100 million crypto partnership deal. What the fuck? Multi-year product partnership agreement has been sealed with support from the Digital Bits Foundation FC. The collaboration will facilitate Inter's plan to open up to an audience that is increasingly digital, global, and that represents different age groups and entities. Explained. God damn, everybody's just getting on board. It's everywhere. NFTs, fucking cryptocurrency, DeFi, everything. Everywhere but in the US. We're still lagging it over here. We're a little late to the party. BitThumb to ban foreign traders failing mobile phone identification. Say you fail your verification, you get banned. SC42. Okay. Where's AQST Therapeutics had a pretty good run this week though. Not too bad. I think we finished the week out at AQST Therapeutics at like 12%. All in the week. Hey, excuse me. Whenever you get a chance, Jonas, whenever you get a chance, man. I think anybody out there, if you guys are good with digital art, you guys should definitely look into NFTs, learn how to fucking mint them. That whole, I mean, it feels very fucking scammy, but shit, you might as well get in there and make some money. Oh, you're drinking coffee and still yawning? Who does that? But yeah, they. Oh yeah, Robinhood, they might be getting clipped here pretty soon with that fucking SEC shit coming out. What was it again? That fucking order flow? Oh, yeah, order flow shit, whatever the hell it is. Yeah, they might get clipped. We'll see. I don't know, even Kathy Wood says she's gonna stay away from it too. I was like, fuck, man, I had to start fucking selling my calls, my cover calls sooner than I was expecting to do on Robinhood. Yeah, because that kind of sucks for them. That's where all their money is. I doubt they'll be able to continue making all that money off of DOGECOIN. They didn't forget, Vlad. They didn't forget. They're coming for your ass. But yeah, set up for a pretty good week. And forget, everybody, that Tuesday and Monday is no market. So we'll set up for a good Tuesday run up. Damn, cannot stop yawning, bro. What the hell? Shit, I'm out of coffee. Then BNB went back up to 500 too, huh? Yeah, I think so. BNB's back at 500. That's what my wife was saying. No, it's back at 494. Crypto market did slip a little bit back from 2.3. Anyone see who? Anyone see IRNT run after hours? It recently had higher redemption rate similar to LWAC last week. IRNT, let me see. There was a lot of people running it up last week, so it's like, man, BBIG and Support and Any took all the damn news up. It's a SPAC plays. This guy on Twitter named Julian tweets about all these crazy SPAC plays. Oh yeah, I like SPAC plays. IRNT, NASCAR all out, man. How you been? IRNT. Aren't you the one that was waiting on Revlon? Rivian. Oh yeah, man, they did run it up. What the hell was that about? They straight shot up from 16 to down. Whoa, they went up to $39. That's crazy. Yeah, I definitely did not hear about this one at all. That's wild. It went up almost 100% yesterday. Get 100%. That's wild. And after hours, just alone, huh? It went up 74% in after hours. Interesting to see what this one does Tuesday, especially with this long weekend. Hell, if it's able to continue that, this IRNT might actually be a good little momentum play. I was interested in FCUV last week. It was a posted security on listing, and it took off day 2. Nice. FCAV. FCOV. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on this IRNT one, especially with this next week coming up. I mean, if it's able to continue this momentum up, that should actually be pretty good because we got a lot of investors coming back this next week too. I mean, because summer is basically over. Forget, summer is basically out the picture already, but September is usually pretty volatile. Usually pretty wild, a lot of shuffling, repositioning. I think I was talking to you about Boosted on the last stream, but I didn't know about Rivian. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, it was somebody else. Rivian's supposed to have an IPO coming out in September, I think. September or near Thanksgiving. I can't remember, but it's an EV company. They were going to come out as a SPAC, but, you know, I mean, they kind of switched up gears because the whole SPAC kind of mania from last year. I think it's actually better for them not to go SPAC. Especially because, you know, everybody has a bad taste in their mouth from SPACs last year. Me, personally, I don't. Shit, I love me a good SPAC, baby. Shit, I like a good SPAC, man. The SPACs can kill it. These securities. Let me see, what's that one? So what's a SPAC? A SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. It's basically a blank check company. That's basically what it is. It's an easy way for companies to run to raise money without having to go the IPO traditional way. But the problem with SPACs, though, since they're raising money, a lot of investors, you need to be prepared for them to kind of take profits so they can use those profits to, you know, support the business. That's why SPACs, you know, that's what a SPAC's for. It's basically a fundraising company. I mean, I first heard about a SPAC. I was like, bro, that shit sounds like a scam. What do you mean blank check? What do you mean a blank check? Oh man, Bitcoin broke back above 50,000. I was like a SPAC, man. That does not sound good. I don't want no part of it. But then, yeah, you can get some of these SPACs can be runners though. There goes Bitcoin back up above 50. Come on, baby. Where's Ethereum at? Where's Ethereum? Oh, is Ethereum wanting to break out of that line? Right here in my bubble. It's right there. Come on, you got to come back down and test this area right here, Ethereum. Don't fucking make me a liar. Right here. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on that one. NASCAR All Out, that IRNT one. We'll probably see a nice continuation play on that one for Tuesday. So it all depends on how it looks on pre-market though. So if pre-market looks strong for that one, then shit, I'll throw some money at it and see what it could do. Sell the rest of my BBIG shares. I still got like 6 of those at like. Huh? No.
Oh.
She's inside.
No. I let her out.
Well, she's not here. I don't know. He's here right there. She's not out here. But yeah. Yeah, but SPACs can be pretty profitable. Make some money off some SPACs, though. It just depends on what kind of news is with it. But that one definitely has some juice under its wings. Whoa, look at fucking DOGECOIN. Let's go, baby. Get back up above that damn thing. Right here. Is that green with you? Tell my baby she can't be running around. Teddy bear, they said you didn't have to be running around. Hey, whoa. Alright, there we go. Come on, what's SC doing? SC? SC gonna break out finally? I'm gonna do a breakout SC? Maybe. It's a risky play though. IRNT is a risky play though. BLWW both quickly fell apart after their big move. BLUW is an ugly chart. Yeah, that one did look nasty as hell. Yeah, we'll see what it does. A pre-market. Pre-market will tell you a lot. Went from 13, went from 10 to 34 and back to 8 in 24 hours. Yep. I'll probably play it on the downside maybe. We'll see what Tuesday holds. Yeah, those ones were pretty wild. They've had those ones that have those nasty swings. They just go up and then come right back down. Yeah, you definitely don't want to get locked in one of those ones, especially when there's no news. Those are the worst. And Ethereum is Ethereum looks like it wants to make another run. Ethereum's able to get its shit back together today, then I'll set up for a pretty good rest of the week. Yeah, Bitcoin's making a run for it. It's getting back up to 55. It's at 52 right now. And once we get Bitcoin and Ethereum back up above their all-time highs, I think we'll be back in the bull run for a little short, brief time. still think October is going to be a pretty rough month. Damn. No way. Are you kidding me? Oh, man, I'm all out of smoke. That's not good. Where's that C? But yeah, NASCAR All Out. Actually, we've been playing. I've been playing in AQST Therapeutics, ticker AQST. I don't know if you heard about it, but I'm basically playing on anticipation with the FDA approval they're supposed to have coming in December 22nd. It's a fairly low float company, so just be careful with it. But it's a pharmaceutical one, and last year it ran up to $10 from $4, I think it was, from three to like $9.80, I think it was. And then the FDA, they didn't get the FDA approval because of some bullshit with a small weight group. Exposure level wasn't exactly where they wanted it to be or something. Well, yeah, I think the AQST one, AQST Therapeutics, could be a pretty big winner towards the end of the year, especially with the FDA. Once people start getting the a hit of that FDA news, because a lot of people aren't really talking about it. Hey, BTC's making a break out of it finally. Been hearing a lot about AQST lately. I have it on my watch list now. Hey man, right? A lot of people have been hearing about it. I played it last year, and I mean, I made a lot of money. And I kind of feel like they'll get, I think the CEO said they're like 98 or 96% confident they'll get it this time. But last year I think it was a bunch of bullshit why they didn't get it. I mean, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, definitely the options are real cheap on it too. I grabbed a bunch of the November 15th ones. The $5 ones. I know that I don't really pay attention to short squeezes or short interests, but apparently it does have it had a pretty high short interest. I think it was like 30%, but I'm only playing it for the FDA, rumor. That I'm anticipating a run up just on the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news. And I plan on making these shares actually free this time, so if it does run up to $10, I'll be able to get my initial investment, and then whatever shares I'm holding on to, it's risk-free at that point. So let's say the FDA comes up with some bullshit again, well, hell, it's risk-free at that point. So if it comes back down, it's cool. But if it gets the FDA approval, I mean, I don't know if you remember that company Sava, S-A-V-A, Kasava. Man, that company made me filthy. It made me so much money on that one. But I mean, granted, their drug was actually pretty big. It was pretty big. But this one, it's a seizure drug. So I mean, I guess seizures, it actually affects a lot of people. But Sava had that, what was it, Alzheimer drug. But I know they're going through it right now. Sava got clipped for like $100, 100 points. They're back down to 53. But I think Sava's actually a pretty good bottom pick right now, because they're trying to say something with they're trying to say it was false. They falsified it of the results for their Alzheimer data. But yeah, definitely keep it on your eye. I know. I grabbed a little bit at 448. I think's my average. I got like 380 shares now and 20 contracts. The only thing I don't like about AQST is that 53% of the company is held by institutions. So that's the only kind of red flag for me. Especially being a low float, it doesn't take much for a low floater to fucking crash or to skyrocket it. But yeah, a lot of people have been talking about it. Still, like, the news is very hard to find. I found the only article I found was like 2 months ago or a month ago when they were talking about the FDA The anticipation of approval this time. There's Ethereum. Oh, Bitcoin back up at 52. What time is your stream over? Fuck, I don't know what time did I start. Hang on real quick. What time is this one? 1:26. I'm looking at recent breakouts in RGC and BBIG. I feel like FCUV has the same chart setup those stocks had. I think BBIG might actually build up some support down on that. Fuck, what level was it at? I think I was looking at it the other day because I still have like 10 shares of BBIG. I'm just hanging on them to see what it's gonna do. Because I know BBIG's been having these little spikes in the past, like every month or every 2 or 3 months, it has this weird ass spike. It does. Yeah, I think I'm keeping an eye on the 715 and the 616 range. And then like on the bottom end, that 440, that 442 doesn't look too bad on it. I want to see how it treats with that 715 and that 615 area. I want to see if it's able to build up some support with that 150, the 152 moving average. I don't see it doing it though. I see it more like coming back down to the 442 area, unfortunately. I don't mean to offend anybody out there that got high hopes for BBIG, but yeah, that's my target for BBIG at 442, maybe $4. Would you say it was RGC? RGC. Oh, and Astra still too. Astra Space. I think Astra's gonna kill it because the Firefire when they blew up. I mean, a lot of these little fuckers are having trouble getting to space. I mean, Astra might have been a failure, but I think it was a success. The little flight system that could, dude. That shit was crazy watching that rocket. FGC. I feel like same setup. FCAV. I was looking at the wrong one. Focus. That one looks like, what the hell is this? What am I looking at? Well, what am I looking at? This thing's all over the place. I got it popped and locked and then took off. You know, at the $25? That's crazy. Seeing companies like this makes me want to come in and just grab some puts and ride it on the way down. But it looks like it's picking up some pretty good, support off of that 52 moving average if it's able to. 13. There's nowhere, there's no support to look at on that one. That one just went parabolic. Yeah, I think a lot of people are anticipating AQST to have a little bit of a gap up again this Tuesday, kind of like what we did Monday, because I think we saw a good 15% gap up. Or no, that was like an 8% gap up on Monday open. But yeah, most definitely, I haven't seen a lot more people talking about it. Everybody forgot about it, but granted, this week, and we have a lot of other companies that are making these crazy moves, so people really don't care about little companies like this, especially when news is coming out towards the end of the year. Want to hear something funny about FCUV? I got up early to trade FCV and bought at 6:05 at 4:10. In 3 minutes, it was 12.75. Yeah, those are hard to come by, man. Those are the best ones. That reminds me like Kodak, but Kodak had good news that day. This was on 9/1. That's funny though. No, okay, doubled your money within a matter of a few minutes, huh? What do you think about AT&T? My conviction was the fact that it was a security uplisting. Yeah. That's a good little conviction on it. Yeah, I don't know if you heard, but I know Berkshire Hathaway established a stake in AT&T. Yeah, I'm not too sure how big the stake is, but hell, well, Berkshire Hathaway established a stake in something. That means it's gonna go places. I managed to grab a bunch of calls that day. I think I grabbed a bunch of the 38 and no wait, the 31 and the $28 calls for AT&T. I don't think a lot of people heard the news on that. I think they'll probably digest it next week. We'll probably get a lot of it on Tuesday. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I really didn't make any plays this week. I just I won. Only one was AQST, just building my position up on acoustic therapeutics and AT&T calls. I think I grabbed like 100 shares too of AT&T. No, it wasn't. Never mind. It was 65 shares. Yeah, 65 shares. That was an AQST order. Wait, I know a lot of people are watching the 460, the 440, and the 390 on AQST. I think I heard a couple people say 380 was probably a low. I know I have a limit order at 389, and I also. Yeah, it was actually pretty big news. I don't think a lot of people actually paid attention to it because it was more towards. Well, it was one BBIG. Everybody was running it up, and I mean AT&T really doesn't make any moves at all. It only jumped up like 74 cents from that news. I mean AT&T has been on a steady decline in the past year. I've actually been talking about AT&T for a while because they've been just getting beat up after the COVID happened. They just fell down and they've just been steadily just dropping hard. I think that's probably what Berkshire Hathaway saw. They were like, shit, they're down at $26. Grab it. I mean, they pay a pretty good dividends out. I think that might set up for a pretty good long term. But it's weird though, because Berkshire Hathaway already has a big stake in Verizon. So I was like, I tripped out about it. I'm like, why the fuck are they grabbing AT&T when they already got Verizon? But I mean, the value, I guess you can't beat it. Because T-Mobile, T-Mus is fucking way too expensive. I have T-Mus and they're way the hell out. They're way too expensive. I can't acquire any more T-Mus at those prices. Fucks it at 136. Man, I remember when I was picking up T-Mus at 102. Or wait, it was at 96, 97 when they merged with Sprint. When they bought Sprint. Yeah, Yeah, TMS has been actually doing pretty well. Yeah, definitely keep an eye down on your watch list, man. What do we got going on over here? What is this? What is this? Everything's just slowed down a little bit. Bitcoin back at 50. Not too bad. Yeah, I think the closer we get towards like I mean, maybe towards the end of September, maybe November. I mean, October, we'll probably hear a lot more news about AQST, the AQST Therapeutics. There's just too much other crap going on right now. I mean, the waters are too muddy. People can't focus right now. We're all running around. One moment we're in the bonds, next minute we're running back into fucking meme stocks, and then the next minute we're just running everywhere. Back to the SPY shit. Back to TLT. Fuck. Let's get back to Tesla. Fuck it. Go back to Dogecoin. Shit. Wait a minute. Bitcoin's running up. Run back over there. But Dogecoin has been slacking it though. I mean, damn. I mean, how many people out there told their friends to buy it on crypto and like, you know, they're down. We don't talk no more. We don't talk no more. You know what I mean? I told a couple people back when Dogecoin ran it up to like 42, like 50 cents. People were like, "Do we buy in or what?" And I'm like, they were like, "Is it gonna come back?" And I'm like, "Well, fuck, you could buy it now, trade it." I'm trading it right now, so you know you can, but I don't recommend. But I know a couple people that bought in at 74, 70 cents, took a hit on the chin. I mean, we got them analysts that what did they say he was? The chart master said AMC's gonna go to 6. That's crazy. The chart master. GMB and VRPX are both recent mini IPOs that broke all-time highs and squeezed. The squeeze. I think I heard of GAM. Not the gambling one, huh? Nice. Well, and then EA's not EA, ESPN. Did you hear about them? They're actually wanting to offer some kind of gambling fucking deal or some shit. So that's gonna be Disney right there. Yeah, that one actually didn't look too bad. It actually broke out of that double dip. It had a nice double dip and just ripped. The GAMB one. And then all those poor little Chinese kids. You hear about all those little crack kids and shit. All these little kids that are having like withdrawals from their gaming and shit. I guess they started setting up fucking rehabs for these little kids over there because they cut down the gaming so much over there. They're only allowed to have like, what is it, 4 hours a week on the weekends only. That's horrible. The kids are all wigging out and having cold sweats and shit. I see the video. That shit looked. It was the saddest shit I seen. Those poor kids. They look like some straight up crack kids, man. They look bad. That digital opium. Never in my life would I ever think I would hear that digital opium. Come on, Ethereum, get a little farther in there. I want Ethereum right here. It's actually a pretty good entry point for Ethereum. As soon as it gets here, it has to come back and bounce off this 152. I mean, just looking at the chart, you can see it. I mean, there's really no reason for it to pop off right here unless it could treat fucking what 38, 33 as a support, but I don't see it treating that as any good level of support. Support looks better right here. Usually with moving averages, it usually comes back to wherever they cross. I mean, it's not, you know, for sure science, because I mean technically where they cross could be right here too. This could be where they cross to, you know, somewhere in that little range. If anybody wants to grab any. So if it doesn't hold up this little support, it'll fall down and bounce off of this one. But yeah, NASCAR all out, man. I'm definitely gonna be keeping an eye on some of those, and just to watch them. You never know what they do. I don't know. Maybe there's an opportunity to make some shares free and then make them risk free. Those are the best, man. You get some free shares that are risk free, just fucking don't give a shit where the company goes. They can go bankrupt for all you care. Shit. You know what I mean? Lake Tahoe is getting just beat up. Really, after the Chinese kids lately first cracking down on Chinese education and companies not regulating how much they can play Nintendo, that's fucking stupid. I mean, that's like, I mean, it almost makes you think that they're fucking communists. Yeah, it's fucked up though, man. China, they be doing something, man. They're up to something. Xi Jinping. But you know what? I bet you they're pissed when it comes to crypto though, because I mean, they were like, we're gonna ban it and we're gonna clap it, and then like we just came in and bought the dip. Literally, we were like, we don't give a shit, Xi Jinping. We're gonna come in and eat it up and buy all the Bitcoin and Ethereum that we can get. Yeah, they got some shit going on. They did something the other day too. They were cracking down on some fucking bullshit. They were wanting Didi and everybody else, all the right share people. They were cracking down on them for something. I don't remember what it was for. I stopped listening to the bullshit coming out of China. It's too much. Oh, that's too funny, bro. I mean, I keep an eye on it, but man, they got some funny shit going on over there. Let me tell you. Makes me wonder what they're really trying to do. Yeah, those poor kids, man. Never in my life you think that's just shit. I mean, damn, that's fucked up. I mean, they ain't even grounded them. I mean, act like they were acting out or some shit. They were just like, nope. But I wondered, did they cut back on the fucking labor, on the child labor hours? Like, did they like increase the hours and decrease the pay, or did they like give them more time to study, or they were just like, nah, you don't worry about the work, just continue doing your work, same pace, but computer game time, no, cut that shit out. We need you guys to fucking work harder. We need those Nike shoes pumped out immediately. Those iPhone 13s ain't gonna build themselves, damn it. Yeah, fuck it. China's crazy, though. CCP, man. That's why I don't fuck with them companies no more. I think the only one I own still is fucking KXIN. KXIN is the only one I still own that's actually based in China. And I think I only own them because I have them at like fucking $1. Like 87 cents, I think I own that company in there. But yeah, they kind of suffered from the fucking Xi Jinping bullshit too, though, because they were way up there. Damn, they went to $14. Damn, I should have sold it at 14. Son of a bitch. Oh, that was way back 10-19 of last year. I remember that was when Neo and everybody was killing it. Ella, did you know they added nets between the buildings in China so people can't jump and stay working like slaves? Look at Jonas. That's good. Man, China, man, they wily over there. They're crazy. Like, man. Oh, man, I'd be careful with them, though, man. They ain't stupid. They're over there. They're going to profit big off of the Taliban. Let me tell you. They're going to profit big. I mean, the Taliban's going to go to them to, you know, get funding and shit. It's not good. Yeah, Biden fucked us on this whole thing he did. I still want to know when that fool's going to answer some real questions. He just keeps walking away. He said, I got to get ice cream. It's ice cream time, fool. I'm out. I ain't got time for no questions. They said just to keep eating ice cream and that's it. Just read the teleprompt, old man, eat some ice cream, take a nap, and shut the hell up. It's fucked up. Jonas, that's a good joke, though, Jonas. That's a good joke. I can see him doing some shit like that. Yeah, China, man, that shit's fucked up over there. And when they got hit by the damn flooding and shit, that shit was crazy. No, I swear it's real. He said, oh, it's not a joke. I thought you said it was a joke. Fuck. No, this is no joke. That's crazy. FCUV, my main watch for Tuesday. If volume comes in and it starts halting up at the open, I don't think 60 is out of the question. Nope. Yeah, that's what I'm going to watch it too and see what it does. Once it starts getting halting, I mean, it's just going to keep running. People are going to just keep piling into it, especially if it has a lot of volume and open. First 15 minutes is going to tell you a lot on that one. Actually, like the first 5 minutes is going to tell you a lot on that one. Similar to the RGC move on 825. Yeah, basically just like that. Red Robin. Oh yeah, need some of that right now. Yeah, I think we'll see. We're gonna see a lot of investors and cash start coming back into the market this next week. But then again, we'll see a lot of shuffling and repositioning, especially with the end of the year coming up real quick. Probably see a lot of profit taking and shit, you know. So, yep. And then I think Fed Powell, they want him to be more dovish. They said because the jobs report looked bad and shit like that. So I don't think they're gonna talk about tapering. It's gonna be like Biden and tell him, "Come on, man." I am now going. All right, Jonas. Yeah, he gets to bed. It's got to be late as shit over there in Belgium right now. Good day, Farter. Hey, you too, man. You take care of yourself. Have a good night. I'll catch you later, Jonas. Yeah, look at Biden, man. What a joke. I'm surprised all the little AQST spammers aren't in here right now. They were all over the place over the week. They were hitting up them rooms hard. Bitcoin got back up to 50. That's crazy, man. You could have came in and just doubled your money up immediately on motherfucking Bitcoin. You came in and bought the dip at 30. That would have been a nasty recovery play. Anybody who bought in at 30, kudos. That's a good 20 grand in your pocket. I'm still betting big on Ethereum Classic though. Hell, what Ethereum Classic made it up to like 174 last time? 176, 170, I don't know. It was way the hell over there. That shit got overextended like a mother. Oh, that shit's still ain't breaking out. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a little bit of looking up on those companies and seeing what they got going on. See what the expectations of everybody is out there. FGov. What is everybody saying on Yahoo? FGov's a 5G one though, isn't it? It's supposed to be 5G though, so I mean that could be promising. Whatever happened with the whole 5G mania? Everybody forgot about it. Yeah, mobile devices or computers to communicate with smart sensors as well as a universal smart controller and control device. Further, company provide filter and handheld meter products include fan speed adjuster, carbon filter, and HEPA filtration system, as well as a digital light and quantum parameters through distribution. Additionally, it provides integration of houses, apartments, commercial complex, and office spaces with audio, visual, and control system to integrate devices in the low voltage field, as well as partial equipment upgrades and installation services. The company was incorporated in 2012. It is based in Ontario, California. What are they saying over here in this one? 2 days ago, NAD. Exercise of all allotment options and closing a public offering. Can someone shed light on how it will impact the stock price? Come on, bro. What we got Google for? That really has no impact. What do they say on Twitter about that one? Let's see what Twitter says. on, SC. SC. Okay. Fuck. Hang on, I forgot to do this shit over here. I gotta go share this. Ow. Come on, log me back in. Why the hell's Kraken keep logging me out for? iOS. No. Come on, damn it. No, I don't want to add that. Just let me in there already. Trying to open my... Let me log in. Damn it. Come on, damn it. Ah, fuck. I forgot my password is. Damn. Too many passwords. David, come on, baby. Together. Come on. Come on. Come on. You'll be in there. Right, there we go. I'm back. I gotta get some work done too. Have a good one. Yeah, you too, NASCAR. All out, man. I'll catch you later, bro. Thanks for coming in. Hang on, wait a minute. What is this one over here? But yeah, SC's just chilling right there. Probably won't do nothing maybe towards the end of the day. Like I said, everybody's still a little hungover from yesterday's little run up. They were like, what the hell happened? What the hell is this one in here? Come on, man. Let me in there already. Wait, what the hell is this here mean right here? Wait, what the hell? Where did that damn article go? I just seen it. You know what? I think my computer's acting up real slow right now. I might have to shut this down and then restart it up. Yeah, this is acting real dumb right now.